this is the Windows install. I've just put in the disk, so it's going to do its thing. Starting Windows. Off it goes. Just check the screws back in the computer. So yeah, this will only go slow because of the actual disk, and I want English Australia. Next, install now. And I'll pick which one I want. I want the 64-bit because I've got 8 gig of RAM. If you've got less than 8 gig of RAM, if you've got less than 4 gig of RAM, you don't really need 64-bit. And some programs don't work well on 64-bit, but I like it because I have a lot of RAM. Set, next. I want to custom my one. Now, disk 1, that is where I want to put it. So, go next. Now it's just going to copy over the files and do its thing. Should be ready in no time. Hopefully. This you just leave it go. I might just pause this while it does its thing because it takes a while because it can only go at your CD or DVD speed. So it'll take a little bit. Okay, so once it copied all the data, let's see how it says copying. Oh, it's gone. It's bloody quick actually. It said copying Windows files. As soon as that was finished, it just flied through and done the other 3 ticks in about 3 seconds before I could even pick up the camera. So now it's just completing installation. It's done it. It's a little thing. It's had a restart already. It's done all its registry changes. This so far has taken 10 minutes, which is well, quicker than the last time I did it, to be honest. So I am quite happy so far, and I'll switch this back on when it reboots again. Okay, so now I'm just rebooting the computer. It's going to go in and do the initial setup of Windows. It'll ask me, it's going to do the dual boot thing. I just clicked the wrong one, so I just restarted it. But it's going to do its thing. I'm pretty sure it's the top one. Here we go, starting Windows. See how long this takes. Hopefully not too long. It's an improvement. It does take a little bit longer though on your first boot up because it'll do this and then it'll ask you a couple of questions and stuff. That was actually pretty quick. See, it does its little setup thing. Bang, that was quick. Give it a name. Call it workstation. Next. I don't want a password. Now my product key. And I pause it. So there's the product key done. Now it asks you if you want to protect and update. I just go use recommended settings. That's the time. I don't know if that time's right actually. Give it a check. Yes, it is. It's all the correct time and everything. Correct time zone. So I click next. Now it finalizes my settings. This is a lot quicker than last time I did it on my hard drive, to be honest. With this SSD is preparing my desktop. There we go. Now let's just do a test reboot and see how fast it loads into this computer. It's not going to find anything there. That'll be alright. Let's do a quick restart and just see how quick it does it. There's 7. Starting Windows. Let's see, now this is the true test. How long will it take to start? See that? Welcome, and bang, straight away it's in. That's insane. What an improvement.